Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica Robbins, and today I'm going to show you how I made these quick and easy adjustable rings in under 10 minutes. All rings are currently being sold on my website at robinsnestny.com. Here are the tools you will need to make these rings. You can easily replace the ring manual with other household items that are around. So let's start off with this silver ring first. Fun fact about me, I am not a huge silver fan, but I really like the way this ring looked on my finger, so I decided to share it with you guys. So first things first, you're going to make sure you are holding the beads tightly together as you are wrapping it around the ring mandrel. The purpose of holding the beads tightly is so that they are evenly spaced. Once you have a full wraparound, double check the size of the ring and put it back on the mandrel. After that, bend the top wire to the center of the 3 beads. Now it's time to get your spiral on. I have some tips and tricks down in the description box on how to keep your wire scratch free, so please make sure you check it out. You may need to experiment a little to get your rotation right, but with the round nose pliers, make a simple loop by wrapping the wire around the pliers once. Hold the loop firmly in the middle of your chain or flat nose pliers, and with your fingers, push the wire downward to wrap it around the first loop, and do this until you get the look you desire. Now for the other side, all you need to do is make a simple loop and bend that loop once you're done. So next up, we have a similar ring, so I'm just going to speed up this video. The only difference between this ring and the last ring is that this one doesn't have a spiral at the top. And the reason I decided to make this ring because the wire color plus the bead color always changes the vibe of the ring. So I felt something completely different when I made this ring. So I was like, it's simple and it's easy. Somebody might like it. Even though this ring looks and feels nice, I'm still going to add a spiral to it. And the only reason I decided to make another spiral ring is because I'm working on my spiral techniques and I just wanted to see what I can do. Once again, I'm using the same exact technique as far as moving the wire downward. I don't suggest doing it this way if you don't have anything to keep your wires from tarnishing. I do have a couple of suggestions in my description box on things you can use in order to not have your wires scratch. For this video purposes, I did not use it because I wanted everybody to be able to see the design clearly, but please make sure you read the description box to get that information. Here's a quick view of all the rings we just made. Comment below which one you like out of these 3. Here is the next piece of jewelry we'll be making today, and I can honestly say I love these thumb rings. They're so easy to make and so fashionable. As you can see, these rings are all about small loops and spiraling. So first you're going to make a small loop for the base so that way the gemstones don't fall off. Then you are going to take your ring manual and just wrap it around. The first wrap is a full circle and the second wrap is a half a circle, but you want to make sure that you have enough wire to do the spiral method. Make sure the wire is straight before you start the spiral because you want your spirals to be nice and neat. After that, just go ahead and spiral out of control until you get it right. Next up, we have another one of my favorite rings. It's a silver amethyst ring. You can use any crystal that you want to use. And I think silver's growing on me. I don't know what it is, but I'm really feeling it. After you find the gemstone that's perfect for you, you're going to make sure that the wire is vertical, and you're going to slowly bend the wire so that way it's perfect and even. As you can see, I'm putting pressure on the gemstone so that way it doesn't move as I'm moving the wires closer together. What you're trying to do is really just get that perfect balance. After you finish with the first part, you want to make sure that the ends of your wires are not that far apart, because when you place the ring on your finger, you want that part to look like a flower. After that, all you have to do is make 2 small loops going in the opposite direction and wrap the wire around the ring mandrel. Before you wrap the wire around the ring mandrel, I want you to create some tension around the 2 small loops, because that's where your flower is going to be created. The only tricky part about this ring is that when you are wrapping it towards the end, you want to make sure that those 2 little loops are connected or very, very close together. And there you have it, guys. I told you that this video was going to be quick and easy adjustable rings. How easy and simple was that? Here is the last adjustable ring for the day. It's pretty easy and it's just like the first ring we made. All you have to do is hold down the amount of gemstones that you want on a certain ring as you continue to wrap it around. Please make sure that you are putting pressure on the ring as you're wrapping it around the whole time. After you finish wrapping it around and you feel like it's a perfect fit, all you have to do is make 2 small hoops at the ends of the wire and you're done. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and help me reach my goal. I hope you learned something new, and be on the lookout for new videos coming soon.